cheeseburger. Well, I got my own milk magic. And I got milked up cheeseburger with some bacon. I change it. What's up with it? What up with it? Mind how girl beautiful. God, I got my ears back. Ooh, cool. Today I'm going to Portugal. I'm going to be very sweet. Them people trying to claim like food just because I'm here, man. I don't know what my change is. I know it. I take my math class sometimes. My God. Man, look at my hair now. Look at my hair. Now look at it. Now look at it. I'm buying which one is $1 million. A point. Wait, no. But I'm